You wanna see something funny?
Shit, Jungaliss.
Yo, what up? This your boy Naughty, represent for DEM2 right at you right now with another episode of You Might Be a Jungaliss If, Volume 5. You might be a Jungaliss if you buy from the Chinese only to resell it in your hood.
Shit, Jungaliss.
Taking over the block. Your shop and problems, man.
Yeah.
Everyone shop around there and problems. I taking over.
You run your hood and ain't no home long, I can run your hood, no.
What competition on you see?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
No, man. Them little things we selling around by me. You don't come to them no more. You come to me, soldier. I'll make things stock up. Make sure I put them in my car.
Oh, this is your hood. This is not a Chinese hood.
Oh.
Those screws.
And man.
Hold on.
Give me all the yellow shades. I selling no yellow shades through the corner. Motherfucker, give me all the yellow towel, even all the yellow hot body. Man, I'll buy all your yellow Chinese people and all for my shop right now. I feel.
Run your hood.
Move to the other side.
This is not a Chinese hood.
And I'll buy all them yellow Tampico the box, man. Boss.
Then you might be a Jungaliss, because that means you're running a 30-day and you're selling at your house. But I'm just saying, you might be a Jungaliss if.
Shit, Jungaliss. Shit, Jungaliss. Got a Haitian Jungaliss, look like Jamaican. Sister Jungaliss, innocence asking. Jungaliss friends, love the bar closed. Jungaliss talks, gossip about broke. Jungaliss name, Jungaliss Facebook, Jungaliss friends. From my yearbook, Jungaliss ask who buying lunch. Jungaliss say they boyfriend punk. Jungaliss leader go to church. I never seen a Jungaliss walk. I don't mess with Jungaliss, they hang out with them Jungaliss.